Hi, I'm architect Joanne Zulueta, and today I'm doing a presentation showing a floor plan of an indoor gym or fitness center. And my presentation is a part of series of videos concentrating on designing for small spaces. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna highlight here or enlarge the floor plan. So this is the floor area of this gym is 2,500 square foot, and we are aiming for 75 users. So 25 feet wide and 100 feet long. And so if we look at the front portion of the space, we've got a check-in area or a little reception area, which is about 7 feet and 25 feet. And we are providing actually 3 washrooms, 2 unisex washrooms and a barrier-free washroom. If you follow my cursor here, the barrier-free washroom includes a shower stall as well, and so that's on the right side of the space. On the left side of the space is a weighing area, so where you've got the equipment, and the back of the space is the actual gym where you would have all your equipment for your patrons. And so this originally was a vacant warehouse space. So if you look at the elevations, the gym has a pretty high, the ceilings are pretty high. They're about, if you look closely, they're about 18 feet high. So it's nice high ceiling. But the front area, the offices and the, sorry, not the offices, but the weighing area, the check-in area is only about 8 feet or 9 feet high. So this is for small business startups, a floor plan or a template that you can follow. And with this floor plan or template, you can easily get started on your business. So anyway, and that is it for my presentation today. If you have any questions, feel free to call or contact me at info@zuluetarchitecture.com. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.